In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the correct Hailuo AI app. With an influx of so many AI apps, you might be confused which is the right Hailuo AI. This tutorial will show you how you can distinguish the correct Hailuo AI while at the same time avoiding imitations. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So first, I'll uninstall this app before we can begin. Now you can do this either on Android smartphone or even your iPhone. If you're on iPhone, you need to look for App Store app, and if you're on Android like me, go to Play Store app here, tap on it to open. From Play Store, log in with your Google account before you can search for your app. If you can see this search, make sure you enable the search icon below here and then search for Hailuo AI, and you can see Hailuo AI is here. If you tap on it, now we have the app here. So don't install it directly. You need first to open and read the details. One area you need to be keen on is the tagline, image and video maker, and make sure it is from Minimax AI. So this is the company that produced this Hailuo AI. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.5 with over 69,000 reviews, and the average file size is around 48 MBs, and currently it has over 10 million downloads. So by the time you're watching this, these statistics might have changed. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right app. To get this Hailuo AI image and video maker, just tap on install, and this will begin downloading the latest version of Hailuo AI, and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and open it from here to start using, or if you go to your apps, now you should see the app is here with the current logo. Proceed, and this is the welcoming logo. So that's how you can identify and install the right Hailuo AI app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.